Can any three-line segment form a triangle? The answer is no. There is a special rule that decides whether a triangle is possible or not. Let's learn this important theorem. In this video, we are going to learn the Triangle Inequality Theorem. This theorem helps us understand when a triangle can or cannot be formed. Let us first understand the statement. The sum of the lengths of any two sides of triangles is always greater than the length of the third side. This statement is called the Triangle Inequality Theorem.
Let ABC is a triangle whose three sides are AB, BC and AC. To prove, sum of any two sides of triangle ABC is greater than third side. Let BC is the greatest side of triangle ABC. Prove AB plus AC greater than BC, then the theorem is proved. Construction. Extend the side BA of triangle ABC up to the point D such that AD equal to AC. Join CD. Proof. According to the construction, AD equal to AC, and we know that any triangle two sides are equal, the opposite angles are also equal. Therefore, angle ACD equal to angle ADC. Now, angle BCD equal to angle BCA plus angle ACD is greater than to angle ADC. Now, angle BCD is greater than to angle BDC. Since in triangle BCD, angle BCD is greater than angle BDC, therefore BD greater than BC. So AB plus AD is greater than BC because BD equal to AB plus AD. Therefore AB plus AC greater than BC because AD equal to AC. In this way, we also prove the sum of any other two sides of any triangle always greater than third side. Thank you for watching this video.